Hello children, I am Muhammad Rashid, your mathematics teacher from Hera Public School. Today on 26th October 2020, we are going to start a new topic of our standard mathematics book. The topic which we are going to discuss today is skip counting. So let's get started. So what is skip counting? Skip counting is skip and count. So in skip count we have to skip and then we have to count. Fix a number to skip means we are going to skip counting of 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s and 10s. Start the count from a given number. Skip the fixed number and continue counting. For example, skip counting of 2s. 2. So the next number will be 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. This is skip counting in 2s. If we say skip counting in 3s, then 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20. This is the skip counting in 3s. Clear? Starting from 100, skip counting in 2s. So 100 and the next number will be 102, 104, 106, 108, 110, 112, 114, 116, 118. So the difference between the first number and second number is 2. So this is called skip counting in 2s. Example second is starting from 121, skip count in 3s. So the difference between the first number and the second number will be 3. 121 plus 3, it will become 124. 124, 127, 130, 133, 136, 139, 142, 145 and 148. So the difference is 3. So this is called skip counting in 3s. Starting from 140, skip count in 5s means the difference will be 5. 150 plus 5, 155. 155 plus 5 is equal to 160. 160 plus 5 will be 165, 170, 175, 180 and in last 105. So the difference is 5. So this is 5s. Now we are going to solve the question of exercise. So the question number 7 is complete the series by skip counting in 2s. 122, 124, 126. So the next number will be 128, 130, 132 and so on. 153, 155, 157. The next number will be 159, 161, 163, 165 and so on. Question number 8 is complete the series by skip counting in 3s means the difference will be 3. 130, 133, 136, 139, 142, 145, 148 and 151. Question number B is 212, 215, 218, 221, 224, 227, 230, 233. So these number in 3s skip counting. Question number 9. Complete the series by skip counting in 5s. Means the difference will be 5. 150, 155, 160, 165, 170, 175, 180 and 185. 165, 170, 175, 180, 185, 190, 195 and 200. Question number 10. Complete the series by skip counting in 10s. Means the difference will be 10. 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300, 310 and 320. 800, 810, 820, 830, 840, 850, 860, 870. Okay, so this was the solution of skip counting. In the next video, we will learn about word problems of addition. Thank you.